Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Thrift Ellie. So I just got back from thrifting. Oh yeah. We scored quite a nice few items that I'm going to share with you on doing this unboxing haul. Alright, so let's get started. So first item that I have, just put this aside. This nice glass. This is a tray. I paid $5 for it, and it comes with six. It comes with six of the shot glass. So I'll just going to show you. I'm just going to take one by one from here. I don't want to break it. So these are the hand blown bubble glass. So this is how it looks like. And it comes with a case, so that's awesome. Right, so yeah, and they are all in very good condition. So the reason that I picked it up for $5, the whole set, and it'd be good for a party. And yeah, that's another green one, and these are a set, and I pick up mostly glassware today. Somehow I'm just into Mark's glassware items, most of it. And I also picked this Circus du Soleil, and this is quite a unique mug. So for collectors, this will be a good fun mug. This Circus du Soleil. Yep, there's a marking on it as well. Next, what is this? This is a bit. I believe this is Delft as well. It's just of different. How do you say, design? There's no marking. It could be Chinese or it could be white and blue Delft. Pay $2 for this vase, but vase. Is this one? Oh, these are a very nice thick glass. I think it's called it's Disano. Disaronno. That's the marking here, and I got two of them. Since they have two, you can put nuts or in candy, sugar, or anything. So yeah, that's very good quality kind of thick glass of storage item. And also I picked up three of these nice sort of decal tumbler glass, juice glass. There are three of them, so I picked all of them. And also this is such a very beautiful bowl. Just look at this. There's the bird on it. There's some color, you know, the gold a little bit discolored, but I have three beautiful glass bowl. Three beautiful glass birds on footed, no damage. So yeah, that's I think that's a very good find. And the others are the two other cups. spent about $15 from this store, from today's thrifting. Free. And these are more of a random bubble envelopes for shipping. And I also grabbed, last but not least, more yarn. Karen Simply Acrylic, 100% acrylic yarn, Simply Soft. I like the colors, many colors on that, so it'll be good for crochet or even for knitting. Alright, so these are the items that I pick up, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and just put it here. If you see anything that you like from this, it will be listed on my eBay or Facebook Marketplace under Wiggle Wiggle for sure. Alright, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like or subscribe.